Hey, let's have a look at making a leopard puppet. So first off, print out your templates and we're going to cut them out. Just take your time trimming them. This leopard is one of several animal puppets we have on the Happy Thought website. Now we've got them cut out, we're going to start by making the base of the puppet. So first step is to fold along the panels like this. And then we'll take the second part and do the same. And once they're all folded, we're going to add some reinforcement panels just to give your puppet a bit of strength, especially if you are printing on copy paper. So we'll just glue those in place. And then we can assemble the base pieces by putting glue on these tabs and sticking them together. Okay, just run a bit of glue along the tab and assemble this piece, and then we can add the two together. To make the base of your puppet, just give it a little test, and we're going to just fold these little tabs over and attach them to the base as shown. So that's the mechanics of your puppet ready. Now we're going to add puppet head. So again, we have a reinforcement panel to give it a bit of strength. And we've got a little coloured panel for the ears so that they are coloured on both sides. And we'll just do the same on the other side. The ear panel and a reinforcement panel too. Now we can stick them in place on the puppet base. So just add plenty of glue along this blue tab and also on the back of the puppet head, and just carefully place it on the top section of the base. Then we can add the jaw panel, lots of glue, and carefully position it, give it a test so that it's lined up with the top of the head. Perfect. Right, now for the middle panel, and the first step is to turn down these tabs. And again, we're going to add a reinforcement panel. We have these in most of our puppets just to add some strength. And then, this is probably the trickiest part of making the puppet, but you just take your time and it's not too bad. So we apply lots of glue, and then you're just going to place the tab, kind of anchor it on the puppet base, and then coax the other tabs around the top of the leopard's head. Takes a moment to get them all in place and well stuck. You might also want to add a bit of sticky tape to hold them in place. This time we just used the glue stick. So that looks pretty good. Now we can add the other side of the head. So again, we're going to put on lots of glue and also along the tab in the middle as well as the top tab. So we're going to stick the two elements at once. Carefully line it up with the bottom piece, and you're ready to add the jaw. That's looking good. Now we've just got a few details to add. Firstly, the tongue. So we take the template and fold it in half, put lots of glue on, then stick it back to back, and we can trim it out. You can add some movement by folding the tongue as shown. Bit of glue and then open wide and in it goes. Yay. Lastly, going to add whiskers on each side, 3 whiskers. So we just put a bit of glue at the end of each whisker and pop it in place. Then flip it over and the same on the other side. And that's it, hooray! Your leopard puppet is ready.